Hey guys, it's me Sabrina from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change TikTok privacy settings to public. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump in. I'm on TikTok right now. Select the profile option which is at the bottom right of your screen, and then select the hamburger menu which is at the top right of your screen. Now select settings and privacy option. Select the second option, which is under account, that is privacy option. At the top of your screen, you can find privacy account option. If you untoggle that button, your account will be set to public account. Now scroll down a little. There you can find interactions. Under interactions, there are many options. To change it to public, make sure you set all of these options to everyone. And this is how you can change TikTok privacy settings to public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.